is government is different than economy. Government's all about government. So the first part of the government song goes like this. They're going to repeat it after me. It goes like this. It goes, government. 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 That's really it for the government part. So that way you know in your mind that all of these words have to do with government. The second part, it goes like this. It goes at the same time you have to go government. And once they say the second or the last government, the lower one, then you say this. It's like a second part and people can sing it separately. But it talks about the two different types of democracy, which are presidential and parliamentary. In a presidential system, the way that the people vote, it's in a direct way, whereas in a parliamentary system, it's kind of like in an indirect way. People vote for like the parliament, and then parliament votes for the prime minister. So that's called indirect. So this part goes like this when people go, government. Then you go like this. It goes, presidential is direct, parliamentary indirect. Presidential is direct, parliamentary indirect. And you have to kind of hear how it fits in, but it does go together. And then the last part, this is the hardest part, it talks about the systems and the types of government. Systems are talking about how the central government has power versus local authorities. Do they share it? Do they keep it all to themselves? And so with this one, it has motions, and it goes like this. You ready? You ready? The first one is unitary, and unitary has a really strong central government. So you make the strong central government huge. It has a really giant head, and it doesn't like to share power at all. Like, they want to keep it all. So it goes one direction. Like, the UK is from the United Kingdom, and the United Kingdom actually has a one direction type government called unitary. So it goes like this. It goes unitary. And I'll sing it for you in a second. The next system, it shares power between the local and the central government. So I just do like a sharing power, like goes both ways, like from the local to the central, from the central to the local, both ways, federal. And the last one is a confederal system, and in that one, the central power doesn't have any authority, so 0. And half of 0, even less than 0, not that you can half of 0 because that doesn't make any sense, but to see how it makes a C for confederal. Okay, so those are the first motions, and then we go into the types of government. In an autocracy, there's one ruler. In a democracy, there are lots of people. They all vote. And in an oligarchy, there are a few. So those are the motions, like the reasons behind them. And the song goes like this. It goes like this. It goes, when people are going, government, government. And then the next part goes, presidential is direct, parliamentary indirect. And then this part is like the main chorus part. It goes, unitary, federal, confederal systems talk about the central and the local governments, autocracies, democracies, and oligarchies, the types that say who has the power in government. So then you have types because you're like typing, you know, like on a computer. And that's the whole government song. Woo, good luck. You can do it.